All right, House of the Rising Sun, The Animals. There's a lot, I don't think there's a lot going on in this song, but it's just, there's a lot of parts to it. But really, once you learn the main pattern for this song, it all kind of comes together pretty easily. The chords we're going to be using: an A minor, there's a C, there's a D, there's an F, there is an E major in there, and I don't remember if there's something else kind of thrown in there. There might be a C with an E in the bass at some point, but that's just kind of like a technicality. If you can't do that or you forget about it. The one thing I will say, depending on how you hear it and what you're listening to, as you go through some of the, and again, there's like 6 verses, right? It's almost like Thunder Road from Springsteen. There's not a real chorus in here as far as I can tell. In my opinion, I should say, it's just kind of like these 6 parts or these 6 verses with an organ solo thrown in the middle, and then at the end there's kind of a one odd chord kind of thrown at the end there. But we'll take a look at it. But when you get to the end of some of these verses, whether it's an E major or even an F potentially, depending on what line you're in, it might go to a major 7th chord just to kind of change it up a bit. So you might hear that. That might be the one thing you're listening to. But we'll take a look at this one, The Animals, House of the Rising Sun. Let's go. So for this one, very straightforward. It's basically 6 verses. Intro, 3 verses, organ solo, another 3 verses, and the song just kind of goes out from there. So if you can get your arms around just one of the verses, you're in good shape. You're golden, okay? So it's kind of good if you could probably just write this down as we go through it and then go back and play along to it. We're in standard tuning. The shapes are going to be A minor, C, D, F. Looks like I was out of tune a little bit there. Let's just kind of take a quick look at that. But again, as I mentioned, you're going to start off with an A minor. You're going to go to the C. Oh, there we go. That was the one that was out. That B string. All right, we're going to try it again. So again, A minor, as I just showed you, C to the D to the F. And we're going to come back to that A minor, E major, to the A minor, to the E major. And then there's, obviously there's a picking pattern. You can just strum it though. And there's a very distinct picking pattern. And I can't even get it because it's kind of like a triplet type of feel somewhere in there. But you can strum it. All right, so again, your intro is A minor, C, D, F. Then you go A minor, E, A minor, E. Okay? And then we get into the first verse. The verses are almost all identical except for maybe a couple little things here and there, okay? But all the verses are going to start off with the same line as the first intro line. A minor, to a C, to a D, to an F. That's your first line. Then A minor, to the C, to the E for 2 measures. And you might hear a 7th thrown in there, okay? So keep in mind, for some of these chords at the very end of these progressions, a 7th could be heard in there sometimes. All right? So again, start from the top, and we're going to go through all this now, start of the verse to the end of the verse. A minor, to the C, to the D, to the F. Line 2, A minor, to the C, E major, E major. Line 3, A minor, to the C, to the D, to the F. Line 4, it gets a little funky. A minor to the E minor, A minor to the E major, and then we just repeat the intro again, which is going to be right after. So we go A minor, E major, and then we go A minor, C, D, F major, A minor, E major, A minor, E major. Okay, so if we kind of play it, I chopped it up for a reason, and if you're familiar with YouTube, you know why I did it. So, but there's your first verse, your second verse, your third verse. The organ solo, it's kind of just the same thing, I think, for the most part. I'll go through it with you. A minor to the C, to the D, to the F, A minor, C, E. It really is very similar, almost identical. A minor, C, D, F, A minor, E, and then back to the intro. A minor. And it's funny, that last C I played, there might even be that bass in there. It kind of just feels like it's a heavier vibe. I could be wrong, I'm just splitting hairs here. And then we go into the verse. Verse 4, same. Verse 5, the same. Verse 6, pretty much the same. Third line. And then we go, we're kind of riding this out now. A minor, C, D, to the F, A minor. I got an E7 in here. All right. And then as far as going out, I think you've got two chords kind of bouncing back and forth. A minor, there's a D minor. I think I hear that. And I think I've kind of seen other people do that. I could be wrong, though, but your call. But that's most of your song right there. A lot to it, but not a whole lot to it in terms of just the chord shapes, right? So, but when you memorize one verse, you can get away with everything else, the whole song, because it's little nuances, but you can make it work. All right? So hopefully you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Later, folks.